Hi, my name is Tim Rice, and I'm with Thunderdine Automation Group. I'm the Technical Manager of Automation Services, and I'm here at Wisco to tell you a little bit about our demo days out here. We brought a cutting machine out in an UltraCut 200 Precision Plasma, and what we're doing is showing everyone out there, all your customers, what a fine 0 to 3 degree bevel, a smooth cut, weld ready, no dross. You know, if you're in the market for a plasma cutting system, come to the guys down at the Wisco and they'll help you out with a fine thermal dynamics product.